Today I'll be following the tips and tricks of from Lady Gaga's makeup artist, which I saw from NIKKI tutorial videos, and I hope we're going to nail it, but we're going to use different colors. Hi guys, Cykaniki here. Welcome back to this channel. So we're going to have at least ganda video today because of the contact lens. Wala akong ibang gray na contact lens, so ito yung gagamitin ko today, even though uncomfortable. So, without further ado, by the way guys, this is Cykaniki. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and be a part of this happy family. And don't forget to ring the bell. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for being here. So we're going to start from the base. I'm just going to finish my base and I'll be back. I'll be using this shade, which is the 330 Maybelline. I wanted the result to be a little bit of tan, not white, because NIKKI tutorials super white ng skin or pale ng skin, but for me, I'm going to try the 330. Let's see if what will happen to our runway look. So on Miss NIKKI tutorials makeup, Lady Gaga's makeup artist started with the eyes, later na yung skin, but today inuuna ko lang yung base, tapos diretso muna ako sa brows and then sa eyes, not particularly in the same procedure na what she does in Miss NIKKI tutorials, but I try to focus more on the eyes because I really love the result for the eyes. So I'm going to do my brows first. In Miss NIKKI tutorials channel, the brows is a little bit super lifted because they put on yung tape na parang nababanat yung dito, but then wala ako nun pang drag queen na look, so ito lang ang nandito sa akin ngayon. So, blend natin to. Siguro what we're going to do is we're going to snatch our brows na lang. Parang super define ang ating brows. So, they're not really dealing with the brows. They deal directly with the eyes. Sana magaganito natin to. Yung banat na banat. Oh my God. Pero, hindi. So, what we're going to do sa ating eyes is, by the way guys, this is my latest, yung favorite ko na eyeliner. Ito yung line tattoo ng Maybelline. And so far, it's super nice. So, ang gagawin lang natin dito is, gagawa lang tayo ng trace first, gaya ng ginagawa nila. It's better na iganon nyo, pull nyo. What Miss Sarah did is that she outlined and lift this part here and then just outlining this, going back and forth with the liner, and then the smudging brush. Isa-smudge pa natin to. She's been going back and forth. Sorry, nag-ano tong line na to dito, but then i-fix naman natin yan. Maganda sana yung smudging brush. Hindi ko talaga siya malukit. Just colored. Asan kaya yun? Yan. Parang okay na rin. And then what she did is gumamit siya ng purple na other color sa taas. Pero sa akin, black pa rin ang gagamitin ko. From here, parang gagawa tayo ng parang fake cut crease na it will just go sa ating eye socket. Mas kontrolado mo pag iba yung mini-makeupan mo. Pag ganun mo, makakita. Pag ganun, tuwing ko na. But it's still okay. Make it work. Going back and forth with the brush. I-blend lang natin to. So, the good thing on what she did is she didn't place any concealer on the eyes. She goes directly with lining of the products. But for me, I'm very oily, so that's why nilagyan ko ng primer, concealer pala. So this is so far the eyes that I can, it's really nice if I can just glide it, yung sinabi talaga niya na walang primer, tapos nag-glide siya more on your bare eyelids kasi nga pencil siya. Pero, nalagyan na kasi natin ng concealer, so gora pa rin na. Tapos, nilagyan niya ng eyeshadow dito. Yung gagamitin natin is brown. Kukuha lang tayo ng itong brown na to. Favorite ko na talaga to. Ilalagay natin siya dito banda. Parang ganun lang. Okay, so she placed an eyeshadow in this part, just what I did earlier. And then, blend it here. This part, okay, just like that, and then while watching on the video, she did clean this part here and put, I don't know, it's white, I think. So we're going to do that. This is the other eye, and I'm going to finish the other eye, and I'll be back. I hope that I can just do what they did, like this. Maybe it will be super nice. Maybe I'm just going to hold this still. I noticed that she did nilampas yung eyeliner niya dito. But then, ito siya, hindi kasi siya super pointed. So, gagamitin ko is itong mas pointed siya, so mas precise. So, nilaline ko lang yun dito. And then, here. Yan, connect lang konti. Napansin ko na hindi rin siya naglagay ng false lashes. And also, I saw on the video that she just placed a primer on the lashes, but I don't have a primer. So, we're going to go directly with our lashes. She didn't place... Okay, we're not going to use falsies. So, I was just thinking, why is it na parang nag-darken yung ditong side niya, and then dito rin, parang ano siya. So, we're going to work on it. And, again, I'm going to use this liner. I-darken natin siya dito. Maybe she uses pencil for that, but super black kasi niya. So, here, we're going to be careful kasi mawawala yung white sa video. Meron pa kasing nakikitang white doon sa gilid. Try nga natin yung ano natin, ito. Pero ito kasi, hindi siya super pointed. Kaya natakot akong konti, super light, na baka matabunan niya yung white na nilagay natin. It works well naman. Parang careful na careful ako, no? We're just going to add a little bit of contour on my forehead because alam nyo naman, maybe blend natin siya ng bonggang-bongga. Going to place a little bit here. Hindi naman sila nag-contour ng bongga doon, but then contour na lang natin yung sa atin. At least sa eyes, hopefully nakuha natin konti, but I know that she's using different techniques kasi hindi naman pinakita lahat. And then for the fun part, which I'm super excited to use, is this. Oh my god. Tingnan nyo. Oh. Dito, iba. Iba kasi yung fold ng aking eyes. Dito, madali lang siyang gawin dito. Nahirapan ako sa kabila talagang eyes. Soft and gentle, mineralized skin finished. So, we're going to use this as an highlighter to actually, para siyang eyeshadow din. Parang lively yung skin natin ito. Yan. Ganon. Bronze tayo today. Lately, parang nagustuhan ko yung tan. Hindi naman sila naglagay ng dito. Pero, lagyan na rin natin, no? Tapos dito. Yan. Parang super tan tayo today, no? Dun sa lips, super nude na lipstick. Ang gagamitin ko today is Please Me. Para na naging wala nang liner, diretso na. Super nude. Tapos I need to use brown, pero ito kasi parang Barbie pa rin. Tapos ano lang, lip gloss. Ang nilagay nila talaga, lip gloss lang talaga kay NIKKI. Pero gusto kong, ayoko ng pink kasi super girlalush. Ang gamitin ko is ito na lang, toasted brown, my current favorite. Yan. And then, lip gloss. And this is the look, guys. Ibanat na lang natin dito para na ring banat yung face natin. Okay, guys. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Pero gusto ko sanang ng look na to is taray look. So, what we're going to do is i-darken natin yung lips. Tingnan natin. you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and be a part of this family. So, bye-bye for now. Sarang he. See you soon in the next video.